It seems like I've been trying to, or actually waiting to, or been planning to do my hair, give my hair some treatment for so long. But today I am finally giving it the love it needs with not one but two treatments. I'm going to be doing a protein treatment as well as I am going to be doing a oil treatment. But before we start that, let us just clean up the area and get the place together, because you know we work better when everything is all together. So let us do that and then we're going to start on it. Okay, so this vlog is just a glimpse into what I'm going to be doing for the day. It's mostly going to be centered around my hair, and yes, I have to cut out these braids I have in here. So let's go. My scissors was so dull, guys. It was really dull. So then I started on doing the whole length of the braids, and then I realized that doesn't even make any sense. Let me get a scissors. So I got a scissors and realized scissors was so dull. So anyway, I speed it up for you guys, and after that the whole magic of giving the hair the treatment started. So come on along with me on this journey, guys, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Let me hear what you're thinking. If you have any questions about anything I am doing, if you want the ingredients, I'm actually going to drop it in the description of all the treatments that I made for my hair. I'm going to put them in the description. But whatever you do, engage in this vlog, guys, because it helps me out. Thank you guys so much. Let us continue.
fenugreek seed, and some shea butter. And I put shea butter in this thing. So I have a mixture of different oils here. I'm going to break it up with my hands because it's pulled out, so it's not always then just put it in the microwave or something but yes, I know there's a lot of seeds in my hair right now, but I'm not worried about that. I am going to get it out by the time I finish the process. So I washed out the first one I did already. So now, yeah, it's gonna take almost all day to do this, but I don't do it often, and I realize that my hair need this because I put my hair in braids a lot. My hair need this. Guys, my hair really need this. This one I'm gonna leave for a while. The other one I left for maybe an hour. So the last time I was checking my porosity, you know, people do about all this whole check your porosity, hair porosity and all that stuff. So I did check mine, and mine is medium, but I don't know what that means yet. So I'm gonna find out and see if that means that there is certain things that's good for my hair, certain products. I'm not sure what that means. So if any of you know what that means, let me know. Yes. So this is some shea butter. I like sealing in my hair ends. This I always do. I always seal in my hair ends with shea butter. Then I'm gonna put do this once a month. It takes a lot, so you wouldn't want to have to do this all so often. So maybe once a month. Once you give your hair a good treatment, it's good. Then you put your hair in braids or whatever it is you want to do. I usually braid mine because it's easy going to work in the morning time, getting my hair braided or something. Just it's already done. So all I have to do is to just get ready or style it if I need to, if I must. That takes like 2 seconds. So that's it. I'm gonna add, I think I have a conditioner here which I'm gonna add to it. So I have this leave-in conditioner here. It's here mayonnaise. Yes, I know I'm being a little bit extra with my hair, but God knows it needs it. It needs it. I'm learning to be nice to my hair. Massage my scalp. Yes, so now we need a plastic. I'm gonna get another. I have a trash bag I use.
So now my hair is in the bag and I'm about to make something to eat. I already had some chicken seasoned up there for a few days ago. And now I'm just going to cut it up and I'm going to fry that. And I have some plantains there, some ripe plantains, and I'm going to fry that as well. So that's going to be my lunch, I guess. Yeah, that's going to be my lunch. So come on, let's go. So I've already eaten and now it's time for me to wash out my hair. Look at what it's looking like. There it is. It's looking really good. I know, no, no, no. Okay, so it looks horrible right now. But anyway, it's going to be looking really good. And by the way, as I wash my hair this time, I'm not going to use any shampoo. I'm going to allow the oil to actually be in it and just wash out this whole thing in it. There it is. It's looking really good now. Look at it. I'm blow drying it. It was still really damp, but guys, it was so nice and oiled and it feels really good. The hair, it's bouncy. It's really good. So I'm really happy about this. I'm gonna try to do this once a month. I'm not promising, but I really take good care of my hair though. I really do. Sometimes I feel like I could do better, but I really do. Here it is. And after this, I actually sat and braid my hair up. I'm gonna insert a picture so you can see. I braid my whole hair the same night. I braid my hair and I didn't go to sleep until what is it? 1? No, actually 2 a.m. in the morning. So that's it there. Thank you guys so much. If you watch my video all the way to the end, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share my video, and please comment because it helps with the algorithm. Say something, whatever it is. Tell me where you're watching from. Tell me, how did you find my channel, where, anything, all right? Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for coming, and don't forget to put on your notifications so that you can know whenever I come back with another video. Bye guys, love you.
Okay, so there is still like little pieces of, I guess, cinnamon powder in my hair, but look at this. Oh, look at this, guys. Okay, so this is my hair. So I'm gonna braid it up. And get myself ready for the new week coming. Braid it up. I'm not going to dye the front of my hair. There is some grays there and I'm not gonna dye it. That doesn't mean I will never dye it, but I dye it this week and next week it's back. It's some little ones that comes back right away, or maybe the color fade, I don't know. Either way, it's always there. It's very stubborn. That's what they call stubborn grays, right? So I'm gonna let it do what it do. Let it do its thing. I'm gonna bother with it. And I'm gonna start the process of braiding my hair. I'm gonna go get the hair. I have some hair downstairs. So I'm gonna go get the hair and I'm gonna start the process of braiding it. I'm gonna do black. I'm not gonna do brown because I realized that the brown, I really don't like how it fits me when it's done not professional. When it's done professionally and everything takes and it's really look nice and neat, then it looks better. But when it's not done professional and you can see like it's not loose and it's loose and all that stuff, I really don't like how it looks. But if I do the black, it just looks like my hair a little bit messy in the ends, but in the roots, but then it's all come together and I just like the look better. It just look fluid. That makes sense to you. But anyway, so I'm gonna do that and I'm gonna let the grace do what it do. Anyway guys, so this is the end of this journey now with you guys. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you for coming back and always supporting. Don't forget, engage in the comment section. Whatever questions or whatever it is you want to say it in the comment section, okay? And I'm gonna have another video of me putting on my braids. Mwah, ciao.